Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today we are making a gut-friendly fall treat, Postbiotic pumpkin pie overnight oats. It's packed with nutrients, easy to make, and perfect for boosting your gut health. First, let's talk about why oats are such a fantastic food for gut health. Oats are packed with two types of fiber, soluble and insoluble. The soluble fiber in oats, known as beta-glucan, helps to slow digestion and stabilize blood sugar levels, feeding your gut beneficial bacteria. Insoluble fiber aid digestion by increasing the bulk of your stool, promoting regular bowel movement. This helps detoxify your body and maintain a healthy gut environment. Oats also contain antioxidants that can reduce inflammation in your body and keep your skin look radiant. They are gluten-free, making them a great option for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivities. So not only do oats support your digestive system, but they also contribute to your overall health. If you have a celiac disease or gluten sensitivities, make sure you choose oats labeled gluten-free to avoid potential contamination from gluten-containing grain processed in the same facility. This postbiotic pumpkin pie overnight oat is very simple to make. Here's what you need. Half cup of raw oats, half cup of almond milk, quarter cup of pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon of ours koso, 1 teaspoon of chia seed, half teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. If you don't have it, you can just use cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. These ingredients are perfect for nourishing your gut, especially with the help of ours koso, which is a fermented beverage from Japan packed with probiotics, prebiotics, postbiotics, and polyphenol. To balance your gut health, all you need to do is simply combine all your ingredients in a bowl. You might find it easier if you mix pumpkin puree and pumpkin pie spice at the beginning. Stir well until everything is mixed together, then pour the mixture into a mason jar or any container you have. Cover the jar, pop in the fridge, and let it chill overnight or for at least 2 hours. This will allow all those flavors to melt together, and the oats and chia seed will soak up all the flavor. When you are ready to eat, add your favorite toppings. I love adding Greek yogurt for extra protein or coconut whipping cream for a rich taste. You can also sprinkle some nuts or cacao nibs for crunch and added texture. And there you have it. These postbiotic pumpkin pie overnight oats are perfect for a busy fall morning. With oats koso, you will get extra boost of postbiotics to keep your gut happy. Make sure you try this recipe and let us know how you like it. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more gut-friendly recipe and health tips. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.